Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your UNEFLONE Armor 17 Pro. So we have a Google Lens defaultly on this device, so there is a two ways for that. I'm gonna show you now the first method. We have to open the Google Photos, then look for the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one, and tap on the Google Lens. And whole process starting automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same image in the Google database. That was the first method. Now the second one, by the web browser. So we have to open the web browser, then go to the google.com. Google.com. Okay, now open the Google, and this is time for very important step. Click on the three-dot icon and switch your web browser to the desktop side. It is necessary. Now tap on the camera icon and choose upload a file. Add a permission and pick the photo like before. Click done, and that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.